The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni is a premium robot vacuum and mop hybrid designed to deliver hands-off, high-performance floor cleaning for modern homes. Its standout feature is the innovative OZMO roller, an instant self-washing mop system that uses a cylindrical roller, instead of traditional rotating pads, to scrub floors with 4,000 pascals of pressure at 200 rotations per minute, while 16 nozzles keep the mop saturated with fresh water or cleaning solution. A built-in scraper continuously removes dirty water, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring only clean water touches your floors. With a class-leading 18,000 pascals of suction power, the X8 Pro Omni excels at picking up dust, debris, and pet hair, even outperforming many competitors in its category. The Zero Tangle 2.0 technology in its main brush roll is specifically designed to resist hair tangling, making it ideal for pet owners. The robot's adaptive TrueEdge 2.0 edge cleaning system features an extendable brush and mop roller, allowing it to clean right up to walls and into corners, areas many robot vacuums struggle to reach. Navigation is powered by advanced LiDAR and AIVI 3D camera systems, enabling precise mapping, obstacle avoidance, and smart room-by-room cleaning. The X8 Pro Omni is fully compatible with the Ecovacs Home app, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, and also features the upgraded Eco voice assistant for natural voice control. The all-in-one Omni station automates nearly every maintenance task. It empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop with temperature-controlled water, 40 to 75 degrees Celsius, refills the clean water tank, and handles dirty water disposal. Hot air drying, with adjustable durations, keeps the mop fresh and odor-free. The station's large 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks support cleaning areas up to 400 square meters per fill. With a 6,400 mAh lithium-ion battery, the X8 Pro Omni can clean for up to 5 hours on a single charge and recharges in about 4.5 hours. The robot's compact, low-profile design allows it to fit under furniture more easily than many competitors, while the modular black base station adds a touch of elegance to any room. Overall, the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni sets a new standard for automated home cleaning, offering powerful vacuuming, innovative self-cleaning mopping, advanced navigation, and true set-it-and-forget-it convenience for busy households.